Well guys, the track is soaking wet. It rained all night and pretty much all morning. So yeah, the track is crawler track is very wet. So is my freestyle track is pretty wet as well. But so we're gonna be doing some more crawling today with my Redcat Gen7 Sport here. Have a couple of upgrades on here, guys. This is probably the best budget 10th scale RC trail truck that you can get, because you can get a lot of upgrades for this thing. Like you can see, I got some aluminum here. I got aluminum servo horn, aluminum axle housings. These things are awesome. There's like aluminum body posts I'm gonna get next, and then obviously aluminum drive shafts, because these ones are kind of worn out. So we're gonna see how well this thing hooks up. I'm running Traxxas TRX4 Bronco tires on there. So yeah, let's go up to the starting line. Get the tires wet just to make it harder. Yeah, it is very wet in here, guys. One-handed driving is very hard too. More mushrooms that I just drove over. Alright, so here we go. Through the course. Now I'm going to come around this side. Man, it is very humid out here, guys. Very humid indeed. Alright, here we come. Oh, I got hung up on something. Oh, I'm not in a very good line. Oh! Oh yeah, there's like no grip. I'm gonna have to take the glue off these tires. That'll be fun. There's 2 breather holes in here, and these things are plugged up from the winter, so water wouldn't get in and ruin my foams. But the glue on the holes, there's no, you can hear that there's no air coming through those vent holes because they're plugged up. You're still getting some grip. Alright, and then here comes the hard part. Can I do it one-handed? That's why I got the tripod there, so I can just put my camera right on there. Oh yeah, there's like no grip. And there, over we go. Alright, let's see if I can do this two-handed now. Oh! Oh, no! Very close. You gotta kind of hit this thing with some speed. Which way was it? There we go. Oh, no! This is going to be very difficult again. Oh, it wants to slide off that way. It's like I turn into it and then it's too wet. Very much too wet. Oh, yeah, it just slides right off. Well, maybe I should try going a little faster. Oh, yeah, guys, this is pretty much not possible when it's wet. So, we're gonna cheat. Yeah, because that wood is very slippery. I'm gonna have to change that with something else, because wood is very hard. Or especially those wet sticks. It's very slick. Yeah, very slick. Wouldn't expect those tires to get over that. So, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this cinder block, and I'm gonna make a second channel that goes right under here. Actually, I'm just thinking of this right now, because this is not a bad idea. Just set the radio down, maybe it'll stay there. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that out and make a separate channel that goes this way. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put this. I don't know. Yeah. That's not like. Alright, so I'm gonna put the. What is this? Okay. Alright. Yeah, that looks good. I think we'll put that right over here where this sticks are. And I think we'll just put these right there and right there. Perfect. Okay. And then this will go over there. Oh. Is it gonna stay? Good enough. Okay. So there we go. Now I can get back. Now we got a separate channel we can come through here now. If that's all wet and not possible, just come through this way instead of going up and over. Perfect. Alright, here we come. Oh, I moved that. Shouldn't have moved that. Let me go like that. There we go. Okay. Oh, I'm hung up. Oh, and there we go. Oh, can we recover? Can we recover that? Let's see, which way? Backwards? Yeah. Oh. One-handed driving is very not easy. These housings do get caught on everything. So yesterday, I put these bricks here around these around the tree here instead of sticks. Put bricks around here. Much easier to get over there now. Well, much more possible anyway. Get the tires muddy. Oh man, it's very humid out here. That very sticky feeling. Okay. Still waiting on those gears. It should be here Friday, I think. Alright, I'm just gonna walk through the trail here. Ugh. I'm gonna come up this way. Got grip over that. I guess the only thing I struggled with was the sticks. But it comes up here no problem. Alright, we'll do one more lap for you guys. Usually about 2 laps. It's a good video. Very good articulation here. Now I was thinking about upgrading these shocks, but I gotta say these shocks are really good. For just stock shocks, guys, they're really good. The stock tires on this thing were also really good. I just upgraded the tires just because so they would go better with the new body that we got for it. But yeah, they're actually the new tires were the Traxxas tires were actually were meant to go with the new body, not for an upgrade because the other ones had a problem. Just so they would go good with the body. Kind of expensive for just the look though. It's like $100 for those tires. Not perfect, but we did it. Very wet, and driving one-handed is a big challenge. Oh, we're falling off the rock. We're just plowing through it. Alright, so I'm not even going to bother with the sticks. So we're going to come up this way. Oh, I love that. Oh, maybe get a little tight in here. This is a long truck. Truck's got a really long wheelbase. Alright. Well, yeah, so I definitely love that improvement. Oh. And there we go. And we're just going to exit right through this way. And we're gonna, oh, can we recover that? Let's see, if turn this way. Nope, we stuck. Alright, well, I pretty much packed it with mud. Well, guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Man, that thing is, sounded pretty bad. Haha, yeah.